This is a numerical problem related to graph. We have to find two things here now. One is the distance traveled by the car in the first 2 seconds, and second, the force required to stop the car after 5th second, in 1 second. To stop the car in 1 second after 5th second. So how much force will be required? So this is about that. This question is also related to graph. Now this is a speed time graph of a car. This one, the speed time graph of a car. The car weighs 1000 kg. The question is that what is the distance traveled by the car in first 2 seconds? Distance traveled by the car in the first 2 seconds. This is starting from 0 here, the first 2 seconds. This distance, how much distance? Second, what is the braking force applied at the end of 5 seconds to bring the car to a stop within 1 second? It is here now. This is 5 seconds here now. At this place, a brake is applied here now at this place, and the car stops in 1 second. 5 here, 5 seconds, and 6 seconds, 1 second it is here. So what is that force? So we have to find two things. One is the distance covered in the first 2 seconds, and the force applied after 5th second to bring the car at rest in the 6th second. This is, so the mass is 1000 kg, and we find the distance. So in the first 2 seconds, the speed time graph is OA. This is OA. This is the speed time graph in the first 2 seconds. This one OA. So S is the distance. Distance traveled by the car is equal to area of triangle OAE. OAE. This is OAE. And area of a right angle. This is a right angle triangle, and half into base into height, and the half base is OE, and EA is the height, and by 2 it is here. So here OE is 2 seconds. OE is 2 seconds. This is 2 seconds, and EA is 15. The speed is given in meter per second, 15 here. So comes to 15. So this is one answer. So the answer to the question number A is this. It is this. Now the second part. Here the U is 15 meter per second. And the V is 0. The car comes to stop here at this point. T is 1 second. T is 1 second given here. T is 1 second. 5 to 6 is 1 second. Now we know that F is equal to M into A. M is the mass, and A is the acceleration, and A is the V minus U by T. So A is equal to V minus U by T. So M is 1000, V is 0, and U is minus 15 divided by 1. So it's come to 1000 into minus 15 N, and that is minus 15 1000 N it is. So that much force is applied on the car after the 5th second to bring it to rest in the 6th second. This is the negative sign, shows that this is opposite force. It is this force is opposite force, means the force is applied to stop the car. That is why it is an opposite force acting on the car.